Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's me Saugat from Techmates. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to download Windows 11 in your PC. Go to download Windows 11 and press on the first link there and then go to PC health check. This screen will show you the requirements and the features of Windows 11, so you might get excited seeing it. Then go to begin. So after this, you should go to Windows 11 device specifications, and these are the requirements your PC must have in order to install Windows 11. Quite simple. So now you should click on download now and this file will be downloaded. So open it. As you can see, my system is already running in Windows 11, so you can do this and download and install it. Thank you. Like the video and subscribe to channel.